Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to install the Azion VS Code plugin to manage your Edge functions directly in your VS Code environment. Let's get started. First, let's install the plugin. Head over to the VS Code Marketplace and search for Azion VS Code plugin. Once you find it, hit that install button and you're good to go. Now that we have the plugin installed, let's move on to step 2. We'll need a personal token for authentication. In the Azion account, on the Profile menu, select Personal Token. Insert a name for your token and an expiration date. Also, you can describe your personal token if you want. Then press the Save button. Your personal token will be in the field below after you save it. With the token in hand, let's configure VS Code. In the comment box, use the Azion Edge Functions sync command, and the extension will synchronize your Edge functions. You'll see them listed in the Workspace panel. Now, you can create, update, and manage your Azion functions in your code environment. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the documentation page for more in-depth insights. There you have it, folks. You're now equipped to master Azion Edge functions with the Azion VS Code plugin. If you found this demo helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video.